Hello, and welcome back to Smart English Talk. I'm Emma, your British host, here to help you sound a bit more natural and a bit more, well, British.
And I'm Jack, ready with my umbrella and sun cream, because today we're talking about the one topic the British love more than anything, the weather. Hello, everyone.
It's true, Jack. If you can talk about the weather, you can talk to anybody in the UK. It's the perfect way to break the ice.
Absolutely. You're waiting for the bus or standing in a queue at the supermarket. You need a simple, easy topic. The weather is always there.
It is. And for our A1, B1 listeners, mastering this topic is essential. It's not just about saying, it is raining. It's about using those natural conversational phrases. So, why do we talk about the weather so much? Because it's always changing. 1 minute it's absolutely freezing, and the next it's scorching hot.
That's very true. It gives us a lot to complain about, or occasionally a lot to celebrate. Today we'll look at 4 key areas: opening the conversation, the starter, describing different types of weather, the vocabulary, reacting and asking for details, the conversation keepers, talking about change, future, the forecast.
Let's start with the easy ones, Emma. How do I start talking about the weather? We use what we call tag questions, Jack. They are incredibly common and friendly. Listen to the difference. The weather is lovely today. A statement. Lovely day, isn't it? A tag question. It invites agreement.
So the tag question is the key to small talk because it encourages the other person to respond.
Exactly. Here are 2 key tag questions for nice weather. Nice weather we're having, isn't it? A bit mild for November, eh? Notice A. Very casual, very British.
Okay, listeners, say this after me with a friendly tone. Lovely day,
Real-life dialogues
isn't it?
And example scenes. Scene 1. The queue at the coffee shop, sunny weather. Imagine Jack is waiting for his flat white and he strikes up a chat with the person next to him, Sarah.
Nice weather we're having, isn't it? It makes a nice change.
It really does. I was getting fed up with all the drizzle last week.
I know. Now the sun's out, it's gorgeous. I might go for a picnic later.
Good idea. You'd better make the most of it, though. I heard it might rain tomorrow. Key phrase or vocabulary. Nice weather we're having, isn't it? Classic opener. Makes a nice change from bad weather. Drizzle. Light, fine rain. Fed up with. Tired of or annoyed by. Gorgeous. Very beautiful or lovely. Sun's out. The sun is shining. You'd better make the most of it. Take advantage of it now because it won't last.
Did you hear those great adjectives? Drizzle for light rain and gorgeous for lovely weather. And Sarah used a great natural idiom, make the most of it.
Short digression/tip.
Tip for the learners. If someone says, it's chucking it down, it means it's raining very heavily. It's informal, but you will hear it. Like throwing water down from the sky.
Scene 2. The bus stop, bad weather. Now let's talk about cold weather, a common complaint. Jack is waiting at a cold bus stop with Mike.
Brr, it's a bit chilly today, isn't it?
Chilly? It's absolutely freezing. I can barely feel my fingers.
It is, and the wind is really blustery. It goes right through you.
Tell me about it. Have you heard the forecast for the weekend? Will this let up soon?
Key phrase or vocabulary. Brr, sound of being cold. Chilly, quite cold.
absolutely freezing, very, very cold. Barely, hardly or almost not. Blustery, characterized by strong, sudden gusts of wind, goes right through you. When the cold feels like it penetrates your clothes.
Mike's reaction, "Tell me about it," is a fantastic way to show agreement and sympathy. It means, "I agree with you completely." Listeners, which 2 words from that last dialogue can you use to describe strong wind and very cold conditions? Write them down. Answer is blustery and freezing.
Vocabulary highlights and pronunciation tips. Let's look at a few more expressive words to talk about temperature and rain. Using these will make you sound much more fluent.
Heat. Scorching. Extremely hot. It's scorching outside. Let's stay in the shade.
Cold. Nippy. A little bit cold or chilly. It's a bit nippy this morning, isn't it?
Rain. Pouring down. Raining very heavily. I can't leave, it's pouring down.
Sky. Overcast. The sky is completely covered by cloud. It's very overcast and grey today.
Mixed. Muggy. Warm and humid, often sticky. It's not hot, but it's very muggy.
I love muggy. It describes that horrible, sticky, wet heat perfectly.
It does. For pronunciation, focus on the O sound in scorching and pouring. It's a long, strong O sound. Scorching.
Let's do a quick role-play challenge. I'll give you a statement, and you listeners must give a natural, simple agreement using a phrase we learned today. Challenge 1. Ugh, the rain is just so heavy today. Challenge 2. It's lovely outside, a beautiful sunny day.
Brilliant! That quick fire practice is so good for fluency.
Let's recap the essential small talk structures. Remember, small talk about the weather is often a 3-part exchange. Starter, tag question, lovely day, isn't it? Or, a bit wet out there, eh? Agreement or description. Tell me about it. It's absolutely scorching. Future or opinion. I hope it lasts. Or, have you heard the forecast?
And always remember to use the subject it when talking about the weather. It is cold, it is raining, not just is cold or is raining. That is a common mistake.
Fantastic reminder, Jack. The subject it is vital in English weather talk. And that's all we have time for today on Smart English Talk. Hopefully you now feel much more prepared to chat about the sun, the rain, and everything in between.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to sound more natural when complaining about the unpredictable British weather, please give the video a like.
And please subscribe. We bring you new, fun lessons every single week.
Your comment question for today is, what is the most extreme weather you have ever experienced in your country and how did you describe it?
We can't wait to read your answers. Thank you so much for joining us.
Bye for now.
See you next time.
Challenge. I'll give you a statement, and you listeners must give a natural, simple agreement using a phrase we learned today. Challenge 1. The rain is just so heavy today. Challenge 2. It's lovely outside, a beautiful sunny day.
Brilliant. That quickfire practice is so good for fluency.
Let's recap the essential small talk structures. Remember, small talk about the weather is often a 3-part exchange. Starter or tag question. Lovely day, isn't it? Or a bit wet out there, eh? Agreement or description. Tell me about it. It's absolutely scorching.
future or opinion. I hope it lasts. Or have you heard the forecast?
And always remember to use the subject it when talking about the weather. It is cold. It is raining. Not just is cold or is raining. That is a common mistake.
Fantastic reminder, Jack. The subject it is vital in English weather talk. And that's all we have time for today on Smart English Talk. Hopefully, you now feel much more prepared to chat about the sun, the rain, and everything in between.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to sound more natural when complaining about the unpredictable British weather, please give the video a like.
And please subscribe. We bring you new, fun lessons every single week.
Your comment question for today is, what is the most extreme weather you have ever experienced in your country, and how did you describe it?
We can't wait to read your answers. Thank you so much for joining us.
Bye for now.
See you next time.